Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the analysis. Let's talk about the few pairs for today. So first of all, I'm going to start the analysis from USD Okay, guys. First of all, I'm looking the market, and now I'm looking at the things on USD If you look, it has made the bullish pattern from yesterday. We have seen that USD has moved up, and it has now made a slight which can say that it's just a correction that it has done in the few hours. Okay, but the things is that when I look at the daily chart, then daily chart is giving me a message that the price is still continue to be bullish as it is not getting the desired drops at this level. So guys, if you look at the daily chart, then we have the next level as per the Fibonacci, which is 112832. So I am overall looking things to be bullish. And if you look at the weekly chart, then still the market is standing above 61.8% of Fibonacci. Let me attach the 200 Forex pip system so that we can see that what's going on here. Okay, now look at the here the bands are very far from each other. On the 1 hour chart, still the market is not reached the overbought levels, then it has dropped. But when we go to the higher time frames, now you can see that the overbought levels are far from this level. Even on the daily chart, the market is at the oversold levels. It's still giving us a hint that the market can get a bullish pressure. So if you ask me that what my prediction is about USD then definitely, guys, as per the technical analysis, I am looking for things to be bullish, and the next target can be a 113 something here. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian Dollar. Let me switch my chart here. Okay, guys, if we look at the USD Canadian Dollar, then you can see that the market has moved up, and now it looks like that it's getting the drop. That's the start of the drop as per my expectation, that I am looking things to be bearish from now. And going to the higher time frames, even if you look at the 4 hour chart, then the market has reached to the overbought levels as per the 4 hour chart. That's the top red boundary. Going to the daily chart is just in the middle, has gone nowhere. And looking at the weekly chart, now look at here, this candle is closed below the middle dotted line. So there is a significant signal here that whenever if some candle closes below the dotted line, then we can expect the further downward chance. So that's why I am expecting that we can expect the downfall on USD Canadian Dollar. Now we have to see that either it's going to break the 50% level, that is 1.33101, or if it will get a desired drop, further drops, then it can go up to 132.783. So that's as per my expectation. At last, I'm going to talk about the USD, Great Britain Pound USD. You know that I have talked about the weekly analysis on Great Britain Pound USD that I'm bullish. However, if you look at the yesterday pattern, yesterday it has gone for a recovery. It has made the downward pressure. Okay, but now things are looking bullish to me. So guys, I'm expecting that it will break the 61.8% level of Fibonacci, and then the market will stay above. And if we go to the higher time frames, then if you look at the 4 hour chart, then the market has reached to the oversold levels. So expecting that we will find some sort of recovery from these levels. So overall, the next session can be bullish in case of Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, this is all about today's analysis that I have given on the 3 pairs. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to get Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.